Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Noorie, and in today's video I am doing an Hermes unboxing. So I have a new bag and I'm so excited to share this bag with you guys. If you are following me on Instagram and you've watched my Copenhagen Fashion Week vlog, you probably know what this bag is already, but I didn't actually film an unboxing video and I feel like this bag definitely deserved an introduction to the channel to you guys, and I know how much you guys love bags just as much as I do, so I thought I would show you the bag, talk through it and talk about how I managed to get this bag. I'm gonna unbox the bag with you guys, unbag the bag. So this is my Kelly 32 in orange, in box leather and gold hardware. And this is such a beautiful bag. Honestly, a showstopper. So beautiful. I can't go for this bag. I can't believe it's mine. And it is a vintage bag. So this is from 2002 and I purchased this bag from Luxury Promise. Before I go into the story about how I managed to get this bag, just a little disclaimer that this video is not sponsored by Luxury Promise. This wasn't gifted to me, it wasn't discounted. I paid full price for this bag. So yeah, just putting that out there. But Luxury Promise is a pre-loved company that I really trust, and I actually purchased my black Kelly from there last year. And I'm so happy with this bag. It's one of my favourite bags in my collection. So they're a company that I really trust, especially with Hermes bags. The price of this bag is £7,200 and the condition of this bag is good. There are some scratches around the bag, like at the front and the back, but it's nothing that's like very noticeable and would distract you from the beauty of this bag. And to be honest, it doesn't bother me at all. I feel like it just adds to the beauty of the vintage bag. It gives it some character. And if it is something that I want to sort out further down the line, I could always take it to the Hermes bar and they could sort that out for me. So I'm gonna put the bag on my lap so you guys can admire her while I tell you the story on how I got this bag. Basically with Luxury Promise, they do these drops. They'll collect really amazing pieces and then they'll do live shows where they'll show you the pieces, talk through them, and then you have the option to buy them on the live. And these live shows are so addictive. Like, I'm always on their live shows watching. I'm just so intrigued by like vintage pieces and I just love seeing the whole thing of them showing the bag and then someone buying it. It's just amazing. I think last month I had a meeting with Sabrina. So Sabrina, if you don't know, is the CEO of Luxury Promise, and I was telling her how I'm so excited for the Vintage Treasure live because I'd seen their little teaser. I'll insert the teaser here so you guys can see, and they were like pushing a cart of vintage bags and I had spotted the Orange Kelly. So I mentioned to her that I have my eye on the Orange Kelly and I'm so excited for the live, and then she said to me that Claire had actually bought one of the Orange Kellys because they had two of them and she had already bought one, and I was like, immediately that is a good sign, because Claire is someone who has the most amazing vintage collection. Claire Chanel, I'll link her channel. She has the most amazing bag collection. She has vintage, new bags. She is like ultimate bag goals. So when Sabrina told me that Claire had it, I immediately knew that this was going to be a good purchase if I could get my hands on it, because Claire is really good at trend predictions and kind of her collection is just goals. So if Claire has it, it means that it's a good bag. So then obviously the live came around and I obviously really wanted this bag. Ever since I saw that teaser, that bag had been on my mind. I envisioned myself with this bag, different ways that I would style it. I just knew that I needed this bag. So the live came around and I said to True, like, we need to be on it, because like I said, things sell so quickly on these lives. Like, as soon as they show something and the link drops, it's gone like that. And I knew that this was a bag that would grab a lot of people's attention, so I had to be really quick with it. So what we did was True had his laptop open and his phone with the live, and I had my phone and my laptop open with the live. So we were both sitting there watching the live, waiting for them to show the Orange Kelly and then drop the link, because they only dropped the link once they've shown the bag. I think it was like an hour into the live and then they finally showed the orange bag, and guys, I was sweating so much just because in this live everything was being sold so quickly, so I knew I had to be super quick. So I managed to actually buy the bag, check out, it was successful, and I was so happy. But then people on the live, because on the live you have like a chat option. When things sell, people always love to know like who bought it, and they always say congratulations. It's really nice. It's like a little community. So once I had purchased the bag, I messaged in the live saying I got the orange bag, because I think there were a couple of disappointed people who didn't manage to get the bag, so they were wondering who got the bag. And then there were comments saying that they thought it was rigged that I managed to get this bag, just because I think it was the day before the live or a couple of days before, I shared their teaser reel. I wrote that I have my eyes on the Orange Kelly, and then someone said that they saw that and they think it's rigged because I had already mentioned it, but it absolutely was not. Sabrina is an amazing businesswoman who really cares about her customers and is not someone who would just because you know her or like you're her friend would give you the privilege of kind of buying a bag before the customers. So I was the same as every other customer, just sitting there waiting on the line for it to drop, and the only reason Claire was able to buy the Kelly was because there was 2 of them, so there was already an orange Kelly, so she was obviously allowed to get that one. Just because I spoke to Sabrina about it or I mentioned on my story, it doesn't mean that I got like a secret link or something to buy the bag quicker. I was literally just waiting there as everyone else was, and I managed to get it. So yeah, just clearing those rumours up, because it definitely was not rigged or staged or anything like that. I genuinely loved this bag so much and I was able to buy it quick enough. That is the story of how I got this bag. I'm so happy with it. So I'm going to compare it to my black one. This is the black box in 32 and this is a Celia style, so you can see the stitching is on the outside, and the retourné means the stitching is on the inside, so you can't actually see the stitching here, and it has a very much more relaxed look, which I absolutely love, because I love the black for the structured look, and then I have one now for a more relaxed vibe, and I think with this orange colour it just works so well with the retourné style and the gold hardware. I love this bag so much. I feel like it just brings a pop of colour to every outfit. I've already styled it with so many different outfits and like it just complements everything that I wear. I put on a purple jumper the other day and I just popped this bag on and it worked. So I feel like although orange can be seen as quite a bright colour and can be a little bit daunting, it's actually a colour that complements a lot of other colours and works really nicely with other pieces in my wardrobe. And I think I've said before, like I'm really trying to venture out with my handbag collection now. I feel like I've really nailed the kind of black, white, nude, beige, brown bags. So I'm trying to get a little bit more colour into my wardrobe, and I feel like this was the perfect way to introduce orange into the collection. How better than an iconic orange Kelly? And I'm actually going to show you the Hermes box just to show you how it actually is that orange colour. So this is the box lid from my Birkin box, and you can literally look at the colour. When I brought it to Copenhagen, it got so many compliments. It's definitely an eye catcher. I have now in my collection 2 Kellys and 1 Birkin, and I can say that I think Kellys are my favourite. I think for me it's the fact that they have the strap option, because I found it so useful with my black Kelly. When I'm going shopping, I don't always want it in my arm or to be holding it, and having the strap is so convenient. I just put it on my shoulders and I'm hands-free, I can do what I like. And then when I do want that option to have like a top handle bag, I don't really want the strap, you just unclip it and pop it back in the bag. So this is a bag without the strap, so beautiful. So I feel like you really get like 2 kinds of bags. If you want a really formal kind of more structured vibe without the strap, and then if you want a relaxed look, add the strap on. And next on my list is a mini Kelly, but that is like impossible to get. The premium on that for resale is just crazy, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm really happy with this bag, and I can't wait to style it in lots of different ways. So follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I already posted it in when I was wearing it in Copenhagen, but I'm definitely going to be wearing it a lot more with some other outfits. So if you want outfit inspiration or anything like that, definitely follow me on Instagram. So that is the end of the unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of my new bag. If you have any questions, do pop them down below, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!